Too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast. Keep going. Slowly, 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 slowly. Bloody hell.
How'd you put zoom on it?
You control it by this bit here. Pull it the other way.
Oh yeah.
Right, are you ready? You ready for this? Honestly, you ready for this?
Go on. Ooh,
Oh,
that is nasty.
right. Look at the little puss thing on there. You ready? Bloody hell.
Can you do it? Got any gauze? Of course I've got no gauze with me.
How's your dad? Des!
Let me just hit that.
Got any gauze? Do you want me to do it, Matt?
Yeah, go on then. 2 hands long.
Right.
Don't worry about the blood. Okay.
You're supposed to be taping it now.
I am.
Does it look like the swelling's gone down? The swelling's gone down loads.
Keep the film running. You could feel it where it's in there.
You've done this on purpose to get on YouTube.
We see how it's going a lighter blue, a lighter red. That's a good thing. Go on, I'll get some.
Do that. Straight there. Can I have some gauze, please? Thank you. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
That's not gauze.
No, but it's sterile.
No, I can use that as the dressing.
Yeah, we've got plenty of these. Yeah.
No, gauze to take things off, Dad. Oh, okay.
Pass me tweezers.
Whoa.
What?
Don't put it on my fucking mouth.
I hate to go pass out. I really do.
That's solid, that is.
Is it? It's disgusting. That'd be that egg. Bloody hell, Mum.
No, it's